This is a combination switch for Isuzu FRR. Some call it the master lighting switch. This controls all the lighting switch over the truck, on and off switch, wiper switch. These are the wiper switch, high. This is the high wiper system and the low wiper system. There is also the on and off switch. There's the hazard switch here, and then there's the indicator system here, where the lights shows you whether the lights flicker on the left or the right. There's also the fog light switch. It's also a part of the fog lamp here, and on-off switch for the fog lamp. These are all part of the combination system. So as you can see, it's genuine. It's from GM. I'll do the unveiling of the box later, but you can see inside here, it's straight from Japan. I hope you can see. Let me turn it so that you can see it clearly. The combination switch mostly controls the lighting system of the truck. These fits FRR 33 and FTS 33, also FVZ and FVR 23. The difference between the old and the new models of the truck is the socket. The new trucks have a different pin socket. The alignment of the socket on how the lighting works. Just a minor modification, but depending on your socket, they're all available.